Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is anticipation. Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics. Anticipation is to expect or to predict, to guess or be aware of what will happen. It does not mean to be unready, to be surprised. But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Expectation, predict, foresight.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Doubt, amaze, wonder.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the balloon sit in the corner with anticipation? Because it was waiting for its big opportunity. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
I felt a sense of anticipation as I waited for the concert to start.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I'm Julia, and I love this thing. And I'm only in 3rd grade, and I'm learning 4th grade things. Maybe I can get a scholarship in college because of this. My vocabulary is really good. Now I kind of want to do it when I grow up. Singable Words.